Okay guys, so I have another pretty unique product. This is a next level straw. So let's just open it and see now what kind of straw this is. Okay, the packaging is, well, not that great, but it's not too expensive either. Okay, this is the straw, stainless steel straws. Okay, so there are three straight straws and three bent straws, and there are two straw cleaners. So we'll just open it and see what kind of straws these are. Okay, so it's already bent. Obviously you can't bend it, it's metal, but looks good, sturdy. It's reusable, of course, so that is why to clean the straws you have been given this small little straw cleaner. So if you put it like that, and you can go all the way down to clean it. Yep, that's pretty cool. How does it clean the bent one? Okay, yeah, it can do that. It can clean the bent one. It's not coming out of this end, but yeah, it's definitely can clean it. We can put it from here and then we can clean the rest of it, so that's not an issue. It's bent a bit because of the shape, so obviously we can just keep it for the bent ones and we can give it straight for the straight ones. That's really great. That's something I have never seen myself, to be really honest. It's seriously next level straws. Reusable steel straws with cleaner. That's really great.